Hi guys, quick little video. My GT4 is in the body shop getting a little bit of work, and at the time I thought I'm going to replace the old school lights with the newer facelift LED ones. One little hurdle that you come across when you're doing this is Nissan in their wisdom decided to change the kind of wiring style harness. So this is the old one from the old light, and the new one is there. You can see that little diagonal piece here is in a different location than that one, and this one here's got a little slot down the middle, and this one these don't. So you can either, on the older car, you can either trim this angle one off, and I think you need to trim this one off as well, and they should plug in, but I've managed to get the actual harness that goes with the LED lights, so I'm simply going to deep in the wires, 3 wires. I'll show you how to do it. You simply get a little flat screwdriver into that notch on the green there and pop that out, and then with the flat screwdriver you can push down the pin and disconnect it, and basically you can put the black one onto there and the light will plug straight in. And what I'll do is I will keep these 2 older style plugs with the car, with the lights, the older lights. Since it's a GT4 I'm trying to keep it kind of authentic, so I'm going to set the lights aside. That means I'm not really changing any of the OEM Nissan stuff. I'm just changing the plug, keeping the old plug, and it can always be reverted and put back on if need be. Right, 2 wee seconds and I'll get set up and we'll show you taking the pins out. Right, this is a little impromptu video, so I've not really got any camera stands, but say a little flat screwdriver, pop it in there, it's got a wee push and a wee twist, and that comes out. And then you probably won't be able to see too great on this, but in there's a little slot you can put the screwdriver in, and if you push it in, it disconnects a little clip that holds the pin in place. It'd be easier with a little bit of a light, but if I can push that in there, usually you can pull the pin out. Now I have dremeled the old harnesses in the past to get LED lights to fit, and it is doable. You can either Dremel or use a Stanley knife, both equally dangerous for your fingers because it is such a small bit you're trying to kind of take off. So if you can get these harnesses, this is a quicker way, and it's always reversible. So there we go, 3 pins out, quick as that. I'll keep that to the side, and now we'll do the other side. Hopefully the phone stays where it's supposed to stay. So there we go, pop that out. Make sure you don't lose it. I think I just lost it. And let's see if I can get this in again. 1. Now obviously you need to keep a note of which wires are in where, so if I just hold that where it was, bring the black one back over and simply connect them back in that order. You hear a little click like that, and push this little bit back in. What way does it go? That way? Yeah, that's sure. All done. Time to get the light back on.